Senior Jenna takes the stage while Junior Jordan Johnson will accompany her with this David Mayo hit, The Sound of a Million Dreams.
Take your time.
The sound of